Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to talk about physical damage in Dota 2 and how it works. In Dota 2, physical damage is a type of damage that is dealt by physical attacks. Let's take Phantom Assassin as an example. PA's main source of physical damage comes from her basic attacks. Each time she attacks an enemy, she deals physical damage based on her attack damage stat, which is highlighted right over here. That is influenced by her agility, any bonus damage from items or abilities, or the enemy's armor value. For instance, if PA attacks an enemy hero with 39 armor, which is this Dragon Knight, it has 39 armor right now, and she deals 165 damage per hit. The actual damage inflicted would be reduced due to enemy's armor. The higher the armor value, the less damage physical attacks will do. To increase her physical damage output, PA can purchase items like Desolator, which reduces the armor of enemy units she attacks, like so. As you can see, it does more damage now. Or you can purchase items like Daedalus, which increases her attack damage and grants a chance to deal critical strikes for even more damage. As you can see now. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!